All right, so today's episode is going to be one of the simplest of many upgrades we're doing in the Hammer Mercedes. We're going to swap out the steering wheel. Let me go ahead and talk you through exactly how to do it. It is way easier than you think. It's just 4 easy steps. Okay, so quick look at what we've got here. So this is the AMG steering wheel we're going to use. This is the Momo old style, if you will. So I got this from a source that I got the aero kit and the other things from. Super cool. I mean, just that vintage look. You know, it's very beefy, very thick. And then I also had to source this piece down here. So the wheel is all that came, you know, with it, just this bottom piece. We had to get this piece here. This can be had pretty much anywhere. They're pretty universal. But this is what's going to go over, obviously, the existing spline. So it's a very simple project. So let's go ahead and just jump in. Okay, so first step, like any steering wheel project, is you're going to want to go ahead and disconnect the battery. So in this case, we're going into the trunk. Going to take out the side panel, and we're just going to disconnect the negative terminal on this battery. Then we'll go ahead and start working on the steering wheel. Okay, so once you've got your battery disconnected, your next step is going to be to basically take off the old steering wheel. There's only 2 steps to this. The first step is that around the back here, there are some little holes. You're going to need to get a T25 back there, either a small screwdriver, or I rigged up like an extension and then like a 1/4-inch socket and then a T25 bit. But the length is kind of tricky to get in there, but once you get it in and get it seated, you'll feel it. And so you just unscrew both of those. That will allow you to take out the existing airbag. In my case, my existing airbag was not plugged in. So then you're going to take out this bolt here. This is a number 10. This socket right here, the hex head. So you take that out, and yeah, then you'll be ready to basically remove this whole steering wheel, put on your new steering wheel on the spline, and then it's really just the same process in reverse. So the 2 steps here, you know, just the T25s on the back, the bolt in the front, and then steering wheel swap and button it all back up, and we'll be good to go. I'll show you the final product. All right, so final product. This thing is just super cool. It just changes the whole interior so much, gives it very vintage vibes, you know, really takes it back to that period of 80s, early 90s. So pretty psyched at how this turned out, and really anxious to obviously get the new Recaro seats in, get our gauge face and all that, and you know, this whole cockpit will really feel very different. But yeah, this is a very cool upgrade, and you know, very straightforward. So whether you're switching it over to an S-Class steering wheel like the previous owner did with mine, just for a newer, more modern, luxurious look, or you want to go do throwback and put in an old style Momo steering wheel to harken back to the pre-merger days. Very, very simple thing to do with your Mercedes. So hopefully you found this helpful. This is one of many, so hopefully you guys are enjoying the build series. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you're interested in doing a build and collaborating together on one, you can always go check out 911south.com, go to the curated page and reach out. But that's it for now, so we'll catch you on the next one.